Hello everyone, myself Priyanka. I am from Information Science branch. Today I am going to talk about my innovative ideas on upcycled Bluetooth speakers. It is an introduction. The concept of upcycling, which involves repurposing, transforming work materials into new product of higher values, has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential environmental benefits. Developing upcycled Bluetooth speakers can be a creative and sustainable approach to reducing electronic waste and promoting a circular economy. This is a prototype of my innovative idea on upcycled Bluetooth speaker. These are the components like speaker driver, enclosure, amplifier, power source, controller interface, wiring and connectors. These are the advantages. Environmental benefits. Upcycling Bluetooth speakers involves repurposing old or discard materials, which reduces waste and contributes to a more sustainable environment. Unique and creative designs. Upcycled Bluetooth speakers often feature unique and creative designs since they are made from a variety of repurposed materials. Next is cost effective. Upcycled Bluetooth speakers can be a budget friendly alternative to purchasing brand new speakers. Customizability. Upcycling allows you to customize your Bluetooth speaker according to your preferences. These are the disadvantages like quality and performance. Since upcycled Bluetooth speakers are made from repurposed materials, the overall quality and performances may vary. Limited availability. Upcycled Bluetooth speakers are often unique creations made of individuals or small scale artisans. Next is technical expertise. Creating upcycled Bluetooth speakers requires technical knowledge and skills in electronics audio engineering and craftsmanship. Next is compatibility and support. Upcycled Bluetooth speakers might not have the same level of compatibility and support as commercially available speakers. Thank you.